I am always amazed at how God brings two very different leaders together. And as they walk together and journey together, as they discover things together, they find out that there are some things that they would encounter together that they would never encounter on their own. So the question is this: what is God doing in the future that requires us to experience it together, to encounter it together? Those are the things I think we should pursue. Those are the reasons we should walk together.